it's just getting harder to extract good materials.
Yeah.
Yeah. Prices are really high. You're gonna keep doing this?
I think I have 2 more years.
We're at the Gem Show.
How are you? Good to see you. Hello.
Okay, well, it's early. The Gem Shows haven't started yet, but I came here to see a couple of friends. Put it with my stuff, please.
No, take this. It's natural.
Like I came over and I was like, Elka, I want to buy this, and she won't let me buy it. It's very petrified wood. My first trip to Madagascar, I realized that you really need somebody on the other side to help you with export. Some dealers in China got caught doing a lot of really shady things over there, so export from there became really, really hard at one point. And then I met Elka. I had her broker everything. She just brokered everything for me.
Chris, I have this like half polished belly.
Oh, it's like a sear stone, but without the window.
Yeah.
You're in the business long enough, like, to find someone that will do those kinds of favors for you, like without anything in exchange. It's like, I would sell them by the box, dude.
Yeah, this is what I do. I just leave them here and then take by the box.
I would just sell them by the box. If you don't sell it by the end of the show, let me know.
I will.
One of only 2 people I've ever met in this industry that just good, like on my side of the fence, like on distribution side. You're gonna keep doing this?
No, I think I have 2 more years. This is my plan, but I don't know.
The business is not what it used to be.
Yeah, but you know, as far as we're doing, we're honest and we do good stuff and good job. We still keep on going. Martin, you can keep on going.
That happens to me with Tom.
Yes.
It's literally, you just stop. You know what I mean?
Appetites with the
Fenster.
clothes and
Yeah. It's like, I don't really need any of this stuff in here. It's just like, I've known him and his mom for like over 10 years. There's no way that that's not leaving in my pocket. I'm literally gonna buy this flat just for this one rock. I just really like them. They're such good people. So it's nice to just show up and like support people that you know. Oh my God, that's a warded wiener.
Yeah, I know.
I got it. I need that. This is just aragonite, right? And calcite? Or is it calcite underneath aragonite?
Aragonite calcite.
That's what I'm trying to do. I mean, I'm trying to find things here that I can buy from him and the mom, just to show my support and my love. I love you guys. I'm here for you. I'll buy stuff that will never sell. I'll have this for the next 4 years. I kind of just like want this rock myself. I feel like I have to. Do you know what is the gray stuff on here? It's not iron, is it? Hematite? It's not an iron oxide. It looks like almost like cement.
Maybe it's because they have the apatite in it.
Yeah, but what's
like a pyrite? You see?
Yeah, no. But what is the gray color? Do you know?
No,
it looks like cement.
Yeah, like apidot.
Yeah, I want it.
Hello.
What's going on in Morocco? Hard to get stuff out.
This stuff?
Yeah, like what I heard is like really hard to buy this year, especially before the Gem Show. Like very hard to buy.
No, it's not very hard.
No, easy.
Easy
to buy minerals.
Yeah, no, not to find mineral. The mineral is very hard to find it in Morocco because right now they have a little bit, the high quality. It's very hard to find it
because the mines have been mined so hard.
Yes.
Over the last 10 years.
Yes.
So whatever's coming out now is kind of at the backside of the mine.
Yes, it is.
The thing is that too many people got into the industry at one time, and there wasn't enough material for all the vendors and dealers who were getting into the industry. So the mines, ramped up and just selling and mining. And now you kind of get to the point where you kind of killed yourself. You shot yourself in the foot. Wouldn't you say every year it's getting harder and harder to sell Moroccan stuff? No? Every year it gets harder.
The prices in Morocco, it's very high.
Yeah, maybe 2 years ago, a box like this would have cost like 30% less than it costs now, right? The price is up 30% over 2 years. When in the mineral industry, typical inflation is like 5%, maybe 10%, depending on how lucrative the stone is. One of the difficult things with Moroccan material is you can see it's like the most colorful thing they have is like this, which is just like yellow number 5, red number 3 dye on it. Everything else is just kind of very like, I don't know, it's not bright. color. I mean, I'm not trying to be like general speaking, but for the most part, it's like Moroccan materials is a tough one to sell, but it's always been really cheap, so Moroccan dealers have always done really well. Now that the prices are going up, you see Moroccan dealers are struggling a lot more. Yeah, because I mean, like what you have in this booth right now is worth like over, I would say like $120,000.
It's a more.
No, I'm saying your cost.
More.
Like what?
It's like
200?
Yeah.
So if someone came in here right now and offered you $200,000 for the whole booth, would you sell?
Yes.
You would sell?
Yeah, welcome.
Okay.
Anyone.
Yeah, so just like a booth like this costs 12 grand.
Oh wait.
Yeah, so if you wanted to set up here at a gem show all the way in the back side of it, it'd be like 12 grand.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a monster.
Yeah.
You know what the price of this thing is? 13,000.
Oh, it's sold?
It's sold already?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. 13,000. Hot damn. Hot damn. Anything that's good is going to be priced through the roof because even wholesale, all the tents are open. How are you? I'm Chris.
I'm Connor.
Nice to meet you. What's the pricing on the alien amethyst?
The smaller pieces, they're starting at 150 a kilo.
Okay.
Larger pieces are going to be at 120 a kilo.
We were selling it for like $30 a kilo. People price it because they know they're going to get people coming through that are collectors or retail consumers. And so they price it to that degree.
And so the top quality is going to be 250 a kilo, and then it goes, I think that table out there is going to be 150 a kilo.
Okay, so remember what I said in the last video? You'll see dealers pricing Tibetan quartz out there $100 a pound. True story. They're going to be selling Tibetan quartz out here for $100 a pound, so $250 a kilo is what this costs for Tibet quartz. We literally sell it right now in the warehouse for $20-25 a kilo, so you're welcome.
You're welcome.
So just for example, even like this is wholesale, you know, $7 for a little heart, $8. I sell these probably like for like $3 a piece. Even when you're a good wholesaler, you're looking at retail pricing because it's just your expenses here are just so tumultuous. I mean, like $25 for this, you know what I'm saying? Like I'd sell that for $10, something like that. You know, $30 for this heart. That's like probably like a $15, $12 heart. You know, so again, this is a good wholesaler too here. So a lot of people are coming here and paying prices kind of like this wholesale. This whole section right here is all like retail pricing. $110 for that. You know, like that's retail. Well, that's like so nice. You know what I mean? But $40 for that guy right there.
Hi, my name's Kim and this is Grace. We're from Melbourne, Australia, and we discovered From the Mines via YouTube. So I've been in the crystal industry for about 2 years now, and I was looking online for someone that could give me informative information about crystals and specifically about coming to Tucson. And it was Chris's humour that drew me into following his journey. So last year was my first year here, and he bent over backwards to help me find the stones that I was after. You know, gave me really good deals and gave me really good advice on running a crystal business, as I'm a wholesaler as well. So yeah, he was fantastic, and I know his team are incredible too. So definitely come and check out From the Mines if you're in Tucson or New Jersey.